God. First time I've seen her since her surgery. Well, she is a little cat, but she's been eating like crazy, so she probably hates me.
No, she doesn't.
She had to be spayed, though. Hi, Verbena. Hi, baby. Hello, baby.
It's all over.
I was just going to say, it is all over now. It's all over. Really? Did you get your first bath over here?
Had a bath before they brought her.
Oh, I'm sure she did. Yeah, but I mean, she was a baby, you know, real little. We couldn't, when we wanted, because her legs started acting up. And she had to get spayed. She had to recover. Main thing with her, then it got cold. It got really cold a couple of times. But mainly it's her legs, you know. I'm so glad you got a bath. Oh my God, I'm so happy. You have no idea how glad I am. Whew. Are you hiding? Are you hiding from me? Now you can look out the window. Look, it's Mommy. You're watching the birds.
That thing. Mama sleeps so well.
That one bird sounded so pretty. I don't know what it was. I didn't get it on film. Ooh. You getting more sunshine, little one? Watching the birds? Watching the birds. You do love the birds, don't you? Such a good girl. She let me comb her. She's really starting to shed a lot. Getting her adult coat in now. Are you not a baby anymore? You'll always be our baby. We do need to cut your skirt though, little one. Again, I know. If that other white cat is here in the barn. I have to be quiet though. It's so cold and rainy today. God, it's a bug. Okay. Boy. Well, I don't see anything. Gosh, where would they go in this cold? Okay. I'll turn the lamp back on tonight. At least I got some food in here. Oh, you look so cute. It's my favorite sweater, and it's your least favorite, I think. I'm just so afraid you'll never won't be able to wear it next Halloween because you'll be bigger. I don't know. That's the warmest one. It's so cute. Especially on a black doggy. I just love it. So cute. It's so cute. See, I just went out to the barn to see Mama. See, Mama and Papa were in there, and I freaked out. She was petrified. And thank goodness. I'm so glad I had her leash and everything because I knew better. That's why I put it on her. She panicked. Are you a big scaredy cat? Which is kind of what I need in a spot out end of January, and she's got a Halloween sweater on. It's so cute. I can't get over how she freaked at the barn. I mean, she went nutso. She acted like a feral cat. Let's do that wiggle butt. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, it was so cute. Wiggle booty. Wiggle that tushy. Oh, it's so cute. She's not doing as much she was at first. Oh, that was